Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Rimi here and you are watching me. So if you really want to create this look, so just come with me and we will create it together. So guys, firstly I'm going to hydrate my skin by using Forest Essential Moisturizer. Just taking a few drops of moisturizer and just blend it all over my face like this. So guys, always apply moisturizer before applying any kind of makeup because moisturizer always helps to stay your makeup so long. So always try to apply moisturizer. It's done. And next, to fill in my pores and smooth out my skin, I'm going to be using this Kryolan primer. To fill in my brows, I'm gonna be using this Naked 3 eyebrow pencil. Now I'm gonna trying to fill the sparse area first. And now it's almost done. And now I'm gonna using definer brush to define my brows. To neutralize all the pigmentation and dark spots on my face, I'm gonna be using this Pro LA Girl HD orange concealer. I'm just trying to cover the areas where I have pigmentation and spots like this. So I'm just trying to cover my eye area, my cheeks where I have pigmentation. To highlight my under eye area, I'm gonna be using Maybelline Fit Me concealer. I'm just trying to put little bit of concealer under my eye and under my mouth area also little bit and forehead, and that's it. And now I'm going to blend it with my MAC brush. And now I have taken my Revlon Color Stay Whip foundation. As you can see, I'm stippling it and again I'm blending it with my MAC brush. So now I'm going to start my eye makeup. For this I'm gonna be using Maybelline Fit Me concealer as a base for the eyeshadow colors to pop. So now I'm going to blend it with the help of my finger. You can use brush and you have to blend it evenly all the areas. And now I'm going to apply some loose powder for extra coverage, and I'm gently blending it with the help of blending brush. This is just to brighten up the area a little more, and you can see. And dust it off all the extras. And now I'm gonna be using my Lacquer Absolute Wet and Dry Compact. Here I'm using my Real Technique brush. For extra coverage, I'm just blending it gently, and you can see the area which is much needed. I almost covered. And now for my eye makeup, I'm starting off with the transition font color from Makeup Revolution palette. And I'm using this bronze color. And now I'm taking a little more, blending that to my crease. And now I have taken green color from the same palette, and I will be applying that all over my eyelid as a base color. For more definition, again I am using darker brown color from the same palette, and I am blending it so that is absolutely no harsh lines left. And again here I am using little more darker green color. Just keep on blending. So again repeating the same process. Keep on blending nicely. It will hardly take 5 to 6 minutes. Here I am using little black, and I am going to use it to intensify the outer corner, both the sides. To tight line, I'm gonna be using white eye pencil. This is from Wet n Wild. Again on top of that, to line my lower lash line, I'm using the black Maybelline Colossal Kajal. And next to line my top lash line, I'm using the NYX Matte Black eyeliner. And I'm going to pull out a small wing. Again here I'm using Wet n Wild white pencil. I'm going to start cleaning up the borders of my eyebrows so it looks neat and clean. And next I'm gonna be using Maybelline highlighter to intensify the inner corner of my eyes. Just to intensify the inner corner. And here you can see I applied falsies from MAC. For highlight and contouring, I'm gonna be using NYX Wonder Stick just to highlight and contour the areas. And I'm going to be applying it in the hollows of my cheekbones, around the circumference, as well as to contour my nose. And I'm going to blend everything out nicely. And for a subtle blush, I'm going to be using a stick from Korean brand. Just to highlight my nose a bit more. For highlighting my face, I'm going to be using Anastasia Beverly Hills highlighter. This is in the shade number Marshmallow. And next going to use Maybelline Baby Lip Guard to remove the dryness from my lips. For my lips, I'm going to be using MAC lipstick in the shade number Cherry Red. Just to highlight my lipstick, I'm gonna be using this lip liner from Miss Claire. And it's done. Using Anastasia Beverly Hills highlighter just to highlight the high points, the areas which I usually do, my lips and my nose. And yeah, it's done. And to finish up the look, I have some jewelry, accessories, bindi to complete the look and bring everything together. Here is the final look. Hope you really enjoyed this video. If you really do so please make sure to like, share and subscribe my channel for a lot more coming videos. Till then, take care. Bye bye.